Hi there, it's Artis and Dan from Cre8tive Carpentry. Today we're starting a refurb. We're doing this job together with Cre8tive. We're helping them out, they're helping us out. So yeah, so we're gonna tackle this job with them, which is a big old, well, not too big, but quite a big house. It needs obviously full refurb doing. It's as you can see, it's not in the best shape at the moment. It's a bit tired, as we say. I'll show you downstairs. So we got tackers in here as well. They're doing their bit. They're starting doing their bit. Putting a metal stud up. So yeah, this been done by Cre8tive themselves. So we'll bolt them up later on, because those obviously old joists aren't. Some of them are the best, just to give more strength. I'll beat them up a bit. So yeah, as you can see, it's very early days. It's been gutted out, so now it's all about starting putting together, really. So yeah, that's what we are going to do, and I hope you enjoy it, and we'll catch up with you soon.
We collide, we break down, caving in to our doubts, faces filled with sadness. When words are said, we'll regret. I can see the fire that we made just to save us. When we try to make up for never letting go, said the things we promised not to say, then we break up just to start all over, even though we know this is the hard way better. We can't be heartache together. This is the hard way better. We can't be heartache together.
Just show you something quickly. You're probably wondering why I have notched out this bit here. Why I haven't just put joist in right on the side of the joist itself, or ceiling joist. And the answer is very simple. When you get to the boarding, as you can see, they're slightly deformed. They're slightly with the slight belly, and what it will do eventually, first of all, timber will dry, so it'll shrink, and then it will leave a bulge in your ceilings. And to prevent from that to happen, what I do, I just notch them in. So it's 10 millimeters, 8 millimeters, something like that. So I just on purpose nail these hangers higher up, and then just notch them. But it takes slightly longer, but then eventually, you know, it's a win-win, because ceiling A don't have a bulge in it, and B don't crack, or you know, all those things as well. So to keep in mind when you do ceilings and, you know, stuff like that, just make sure you allow for that. But I'll show you, there's another type of joist hangers which should be okay without notching in, which are these. They're a lot thinner. They, you know, half mil, so they will be okay. But those, they're thick as steel, and with them ones I always nudge them in. These you can't get away with not to. Oh, with these smaller ones. So yeah,